Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been long, I know, but I had some other works and stuff. Anyways, today I thought I'd just go for a solo ride to this place called Dhruvatare. Many bikers go there actually. There's Dhruvatare and there's Vaishali. Both are restaurants. And Dhruvatare serves veg, Vaishali serves non-veg. So if you want to go to either one, you can go. It's been about an hour just riding from home to this highway. And I'm just kind of chilling. It's not my first time going to Dhruvatare. I've been there before once. I've been there before once with a friend. There's not really much. It's just a breakfast, lunch kind of ride. Because I'm going to be eating breakfast and I'm going to film some more other videos. And then I'm going to leave by, afternoon or something like that. It's still a pretty good ride out here. People who live in Bengaluru, they can come and, have a chill ride out here. Dhruvatare is the restaurant that is behind Vaishali. I'll be taking you to both of them. I mean, I'm not taking you to both of them, I'm just showing you where they are. This place is located around Tumkuru Road. I mean, Hasna Road actually, but it's somewhere right over the left, towards the left. Both of them, Dhruvatare and Vaishali. The reason I mentioned both Dhruvatare and Vaishali is because, Dhruvatare you get only veg, it's pure veg. And Vaishali you get non-veg too. Woo! So pretty good view out here, guys. Okay, I got a break so that I can check the maps. I'll let you guys know if I'm going in the right way. Yeah guys, so Dhruvatare is still about 30 kilometers away, so we are going in the right way. I just noticed my GoPro battery is pretty low, so I think the recording might shut down at any moment, but I'll just let it record until it can. And then I have other batteries, so that's fine. really want to slow down and show you guys the scenery and stuff. I mean, look at that. But there's not even a battery for these stuff. So but still, damn. Pretty good, right? Right, let's go.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I've reached Dhruvatare. Yeah, I think I made it before 10 minutes or so, but the battery died before I could make it. But yeah, this is Dhruvatare restaurant, party halls, AC rooms, etc, etc. I've ordered set dosa or something. I like breakfast, and then I'm gonna shoot the other videos. I just left. I was at Dhruvatare for a couple of hours because I had to charge my batteries. But this is Vaishali, just a bit front of Dhruvatare. If you look hard enough, you can spot Dhruvatare. So I'll just eat my lunch here and then we'll leave back. I think that going back will be a separate video. And yeah, if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. We are getting close to 60 subscribers, I think. So yeah, let's hit that milestone, and then we'll see what we can do next. For now, yeah, that's all. So yeah, see you when I'm going back. Bye bye.